a day by checking out a Sounce 5-in-1 multi-function laptop cleaning kit. If you are tired of dust in your keyboard or dirt on your earbuds, this might be a perfect tool for you. Let's unbox it and see if it's worth buying. Inside the box, we have a dual head brush, a soft cleaning sponge, a keycap puller, a precision cleaning tool. The design look neat, and the red and white color combination gives a premium look. Now let's test how well it cleans. Let's start with the keyboard. The soft brush is perfect for removing dust from the keycaps. Just sweep it across and you'll instantly see the difference. If you have deep-seated dirt, the keycap puller comes in handy. Just hook it onto a key, pull it up, and remove it easily. Now we can clean underneath. For the tougher spots, the metal pen tip helps scrape away gunk stuck under the keys. Perfect for mechanical keyboards. This kit isn't just for keyboards. Use the sponge for screens and the brush to clean your AirPods case, mouse, or even your laptop lens. For a budget price, you get all the essential tools to keep your tech clean and running smoothly. I highly recommend it for any gamer, programmer, or office work. If you want to grab this cleaning kit, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.